My name is Kim Yaw, and I am the Library Media Specialist at PCTA. Lately, I've been working with the PTECH kids, the seniors, to develop a Dell Tech Crew. We decided to adopt the name Dell Tech Crew because the majority of them have completed or are working on it right now after school. Putting them in this environment challenges them to grow, to become stronger individuals, to work on interpersonal skills, to work as a team with their fellow students.
My experience as in the Dell Student Tech Crew, I was nominated to be one of the student leaders. So I basically just try and advise, but also help out.
The students go through that course, they get certified. The great thing is, now they see that certification, and when they come into the internship, they see how that certification is used, of ordering parts that are needed with warranty repairs, asking the right questions, having their ticketing system, so forth and so on. So it really works out really well. It just expands the role of what those programs at PCTA and in other locations within the district are doing. So I'm hoping that we can expand from PCTA to EQ, to Mount Pleasant, and wherever those IT programs land.
The purpose is to give the students some time, internship time, to work on technology. It hasn't been easy to get them off-site, so between working with Mr. Santos at the IT department and working within PCTA to fix the technology in the building, it has been a successful program.
When I sat down with the PCTA staff and also some of the students, we were able to put together a program that they can see basically from level 1 to all the way to a director's position of what we actually do within an IT division.
The collaboration with the IT group has been excellent. With Mr. Santos, he comes in, he does an interview with each of the students that have shown an interest in going over and working at central office.
So for example, a student will come in, they will sit down with our help desk team. From there, they'll go to our depot repair center and do some hands-on repairing of machines. They will also sit down with level tier 1 or tier 2 technicians to see what they do there. Learning about customer service, how to react or how to act with our customers. Also at a higher level, the management side of the house, how my management team, their vision and what they do with these departments. And then finally, at my level of making sure that our division is in line with the district's strategic plan, budgeting, making sure that we have the right resources in place, so forth and so on. So it really gives a student a really nice snapshot of an IT organization at a very high level.
Interning in the central office today has been absolutely amazing. Like today, I just learned how servers work, how well they maintain are here, what kind of servers they have here, what do they contain, what do we do if there's an issue with the server, we restart, stuff like that. But also we work with the ticketing system, which I think is absolutely great and well organized, well put together, because they just can take care of it so fast. They type really fast and able to troubleshoot really quickly. So I'm really just very amazed because they have years of experience that just made them that awesome.
The great thing that I'm getting out of it is I can see some of our guidance going into that group of students that really care and want to get into our IT, an IT career, and seeing some elements of, hey, they're starting to listen to us.
Learning what I saw in class and into the real world was very kind of nice to see, because typically you're in math class, you're like, when am I going to use this? But now it's more like, in my tech class, I'm seeing applied in the real world, and that a lot of the things and how it's being applied, and it's something that I find really interesting.
When I was introduced to just coding in general, coding games, that was when I was like, okay, I'm gonna stay here. And after that, I was moved into this Dell Tech Crew program, which was absolutely amazing. That was okay, I want to do this in the future. This is what I would just sit down and do in the future. And then there were just multiple things that came up that just okay, I want to do this too in the future. This is one of the things that the PTECH program has brought to me that I don't think any other program will have brought to me. My experience in PCTA has been exceptional, amazing. If I could start over, I would.